The first word is spoon.
Repeat please.
The first word is spoon.
Spoon. S-P-O-N.
Can you repeat it, please?
Listen please.
Shallow oval or round bowl on a long handle used for eating, stirring, and serving food. The second word is panda.
Repeat please.
The second word is panda.
P-A-N-D-A. Panda.
Thank you. The answer is correct. The third word is salaka.
Salaka. S-A-L-A-C-C-A. Salaka.
Repeat it, please.
S-A-L-A-C-C-A. Salaka.
Thank you. The answer is correct. Number 4. The word number 4 is pillow.
Pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W. Pillow.
Thank you. The answer is correct. The word number 5 is hamburger.
Hamburger. H-U-M-B-E-R-G-E-R. Hamburger.
Incorrect. Thank you.